This guy is in prison because he found the body of a dead woman on a trail, and he decided to take off the clothes of the woman, and he wore them. Now this guy's name is Bafana, and at the time of the crime, Bafana is 21 years old. Bafana was born in Middelburg, Mpumalanga, South Africa. So in January 2022, Bafana moves from his hometown of Mpumalanga to Johannesburg to register at a university to study for his tertiary education. So one day, on the 20th of October 2023, Bafana then went out with his girlfriend to a party in Alex. And then he had no idea of the people that were there and who hosted the party, but he stayed all night at the party. The following morning, Bafana woke up. It was a Sunday, the 29th of October. He took a minibus from Alex to Sandton, and then because he was drunk and he was tired, he slept while in the taxi. And when he woke up, he had missed his stop. So because he had missed his stop, he got off in the taxi and started walking so that he could go back home. And then he noticed a Sandton Sports Club. This particular sports club, it held events every Sunday where people would walk or run for 2.5 to 5 kilometers between the time of 7 to 9 a.m. So on this particular day, this lady, her name is Kirsten. Kirsten is 34 at the time and was a teacher by profession and was 14 weeks pregnant. She decided to go on the run as she did every Sunday. So on this particular day, there were 8 people that had started the race around 7:30. And on the CCTV, it shows that Bafana was wearing a black t-shirt and black trouser and was 100 meters behind her. And then this particular course, it had 4 loops. So Kirsten finished the first loop at around 8:05 a.m. And at that same time, the CCTV captured Bafana at 8:06. This was 10 minutes before Kirsten had passed on. So what I'm going to give you is his version of events that he said in court, because the case is still going on in court right now. So he says he saw a rag on the trail, at the bottom of the trail, and then he kicked the rag and he noticed that it's a person. And he started shaking the body to check if the person was alive. After checking if the lady was alive, he noticed that the lady had died. So according to him, he assumed because he's black and she's white, he's going to be blamed for whatever happened. So he thought to himself that because I touched the body, they're going to find my DNA and my fingerprints there. So he decided to take off her tights, her pants, her shoes, her cap, and removed everything and left the lady naked. And according to Bafana, the lady was not wearing any undergarments. So now Bafana took his own shirt off. He was wearing a black t-shirt, and then he wore Kirsten's shirt, which was blue. And then he used the black t-shirt he was wearing to cover the shoes, the tights, and the cap that he had found on the body. So after this, Bafana then proceeded to go to the restaurant in the same vicinity with Kirsten's top on to ask for prices at the restaurant so that he can take his girlfriend later. He then was captured on the CCTV where he jumped over the fence, and he didn't use the main gate to exit the facility, and he threw Kirsten's clothes at a distance in the drain. So now the search party at the club, they were looking for Kirsten because they expected everyone to be back by 9 a.m. And then they found her passed away, and then she had a blunt force to her head. So when Bafana left this club, he went home. He told his girlfriend what had happened. And then he went to his caretaker. And then he told the caretaker what had happened. And the caretaker was a lawyer. And the caretaker, because he was asking for advice from the caretaker. And the caretaker told him it was fine as long as he didn't do anything wrong. So Bafana continued with his life and did not report anything to the police for a month. So meanwhile, the police, they were checking the CCTV in the area, and after the month of thorough investigation, they went to his rest and arrested him. Bafana is being charged with kidnapping, robbery with aggravating circumstances.